Hi guys, this is a very special video. Just finished reading this book by one of my favorite person, Sudha Murthy ji. Yes, she's one of my idol. I love her work a lot and now I think I'm in love with her writing as well. So yes, the title of the book is The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. I know that title is quite unique and it will make you curious to read this book because that's what happened with me. I went in one of the book exhibition and stumbled upon this book. The title attracted me and I thought, what does it mean, like the day I stopped drinking milk? Why someone would stop drinking milk and what make him write a book on that? So yeah, out of curiosity I bought this book and started reading it and I loved it. I loved it very much. While reading, I uploaded a few precious pieces of advices on my Instagram and WhatsApp handle. And trust me guys, almost everyone asking me what book it is and I'm tired of replying everybody. So I thought of why not making a video on this. And yes, here I am highly recommending this book to everyone who is watching this video, because in my English speaking journey I come across with many people who wants to start reading but they're confused where to start and what book they should start with, and I think this book will be the best. So yes, start reading it. Do let me know how you like this. I'm sure that you're going to thank me later. There's no need to, but you can do in the comment section. Alright, so yes, the main agenda of this video is recommending this book. I'm sure I have give you all the points to read this book. It has written by Indian author. It is very simple. It has multiple stories and the life experiences. I think this book suits you well because this is a very simple book, no complications. It has all the life experiences, small stories which Sudha Murthy ji had experienced in her professional career, and she has explained it very well. You will feel that you are personally experiencing that story or that experience. So yeah, that's the beauty of this book, and trust me guys, I finished reading this book in a very short span of time. It is really very interesting. It will make you curious what next you will learn from this book. So yes, it will not just help you in English speaking journey, but it will help you to have some clarity in life. Yes, this book will give you so much. Just read this. And one more thing I want to mention here is I'm a reader. I like reading, so I'm going to make such videos in future very often, and I would recommend whatever I read and I like. So yeah, stay tuned for such videos, and yeah, meanwhile just keep learning and be happy. Bye.